morning everyone, we are going to Cefalù today. We will go by train. The central station is very close to us. It will take roughly 44 minutes and we will arrive in Cefalù.
We arrived to the train station, we got our tickets and now we are going to the platform too.
The first one is ours.
We arrived to Cefalù and now we are heading to the sea.
We are walking along the beach and the sea.
It's beautiful.
We are going towards the most picturesque part of the village, where all the nice, pretty typical buildings are next to the coast.
And the weather is nice and sunny, just perfect for the beach. Nice and warm. Pristine water. That's amazing. Can't wish for more. Isabel is going ahead. Isabel is ready for a swim. What's going on there? How is the sea?
Very nice. Spent some time at the beach. Now we'll just go stroll around the village. There's a lot of narrow streets. They are quite typical here. So let's see if we can also reach the cathedral. We swam in the sea. We had a walk around the narrow streets of Cefalù. We managed to find a place where to buy some food. What we are gonna have in front of the cathedral, David?
Calzone and pizza.
Let's dig in.
Let's try one.
Show me what's inside. So the church opens in half an hour. In the meantime, we'll still have another stroll around the village. We entered the cathedral. It was quite nice, with very modern windows, very colorful. Now we are heading to the sea again to see a typical part of the town. This is impressive. Why David runs so fast all the time? The fight for the seat. And we got it.